Then
Icon.
click on
Hold on.
Peppercorn.
Iconify for what?
Ma?
Iconify for
Sorry,
what?
I went to plugins. Yeah, plugin rather. Sorry.
Okay, so plugins and then
I now
peppercorn. Uh-huh. Is this what you did? Is this the one you saw?
yes, from here now I did not know how to go about it again.
See, you would select the font you want first. See this button, click on this drop down. My internet is shitty, so it's not
Yes,
working.
I clicked everything, ma, even the side, everything. So I wanted to I didn't see where to okay.
All right, you see, this generate text styles is what you would have done.
It wasn't showing at all. I don't know whether I didn't go to it wasn't showing on my own at all. This generate.
After this call, me and you will align, figure out why.
Okay, all right, man.
Okay. And then colors too. Well, I can't fault you on colors because you are using their own colors, not. Let's see. Okay, your bottom navbar looks clean, but you didn't group everything. It doesn't. It's standalone. And cool. You're meant
Sorry,
to group all
yes.
of
I
guys
actually
down.
grouped, I later ungrouped them. I forgot to group them back.
You should. They are together. It's a bottom navbar. So next time.
All right, man.
And what's this guy here? You use it to cover your secrets so that I'll not see that. Learn how to use auto layout to save your life, literally.
All right, man.
Okay, but well done. This is good. Well done. Let's check
I
this.
also have another challenge.
Okay,
Trying to bring this close or the back button on
this
top
one.
of that. Yes, the one on the right hand side. When I
This,
right click and then send it in front, it was not responding until I have to play around it
let me
before.
show you why. You see all of these things, they are not in your. You see this one, this image, this image itself is not in this frame. It's not inside this desktop frame. You can see it here. Let me show you. This is your desktop. See where your image is. So no matter how you put this one, bring it to the front, this image is still on top of it here. So if I move this image now into sorry, I don't have edit access. So you move this image into this desktop frame and you see that this one and this one will be on top of it. So just move it inside from here. You do drag like this and just drop it in here. Do you understand? I can't, or let me see
Yes,
if I can.
yes, man. Even another challenge again, the access. If I go to give access so that you have access to it's not showing active. And that is another challenge I had when I was trying to copy the link. I click on to access anyone, the thing was not responding. I just have to leave it like that. I don't know
I
whether
have a
my video has whether I need license. I don't know, but
no,
it
you
was not.
don't. You already put it to anyone can view. See when you're on your Figma file, just click on either this part or this part and see which one will respond. One of them should respond. Let me check with another file. So who has access? You see, once I over, you already see it. I can change it to anyone. But your own is currently on anyone already. So see it's on anyone. Any other thing?
No man, no man.
Try to use auto layout so yeah.
All right, man.
But this looks good. Well done. Let me see. Alignment.
Thank you.
This guys. Maybe because you're not. Did you even use a layout grid? Let me see. Nope, you didn't.
I used grid actually.
On your desktop or on your mobile, which one?
On my desktop, ma.
Can't see it here. Okay, no Allah. But this guy, this cart here is not aligned. So please, you can fix that. All of these things should be in your header. They should be grouped together as one. Because when you eventually design like multiple screens, you would need like a component of your header. I think let me share maybe Tolu's assignment. Yes, Tolu. Did Tolu create components? Okay, but you see what I'm saying? This thing is in a group. So it's easy for you to just use this guy as a component, and you can reuse it multiple times across all of your screens without having to like duplicate the design and stuff like that. Same thing I was saying about your bottom nav bar. You see it in a group. So you can just rename this part to like bottom nav bar and make it a component. Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
All right. But well done. You still did good. That was very clean. That was cool, right?
Yes, ma.
Victoria submitted. Is Victoria on this call? I'm proud of you. Ademulere, is she on this call?
No, she's not on the call.
Is Bashirat here? Bashirat Kane. The people that usually disturb me, if they are not on this call, I will pursue them from my DM. Bashirat and Kane are not on this call. Wow. How about Obaloluwa Samuel and Victoria? Not on this call. Okay, we'll do their review in their absence. Okay, you see, I can see this person's grid. Maybe because I have edit access. Who is this? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, looks like she's not done. Okay, this is clean. Maybe it's small issue with this font and alignment too. Now this font is error. Obviously, can't do this. It looks stretched out already, so I can tell that something is wrong there. And then spacing. What is alignment? Nah, this cannot work. For fonts that are like 14, 16, you can't go all the way to 38 for your line height. All right, so that's something. You can use 20, 24 for line height. And even for H4, she can use regular font width for H4. H is literally heading. So there is that. And then this spacing issue. Now I can't even tell, this is not even aligned. And you know that this week we said we're looking at alignment and spacing. But the spacing is off, alignment is off. for this bottom navbar. And then this looks okay. This font should not be this bold, and I am sure this is not the background color. You guys just did many more for your background color. You didn't use your color because this two is not aligned. This is 8 and 18. No, it's not centered. So that's that for that one. For this guy, okay, not bad. All right. Miami writes. So let's move on to who is next. Bashirat. Is Bashirat done? Oh. By the way, if you guys have like questions for me, you can put it in the comments and we'll check it out together. Okay. No. Something is off here. No. You can see the inconsistency already. Something this is not going to work. Okay. Checking. You guys have questions for me. I like that you guys are smart, sharp, but let me know if you have questions. Bashirat, are you done?
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, ma. Your assignment.
Yes.
But you don't sound sure. Bashirat,
This line. Yes.
you don't sound sure. Are you done with this? Are you done with this thing? Are you sure?
No. I'm not done yet. I just had to submit something.
Where is the image
Oh
you're
my
replicating
goodness.
from? This is definitely not what is on that app.
I could not find the exact icons. I used icon scout and icon 8 or something. I could
I'm not,
not find the exact images.
I'm not talking about just the icons. They have icons and labels. The icons. Your
Yes.
background is not white. These icons like they came from different icon packs. And then you understand what I'm saying, right? This guy,
Yeah,
and
yes, I do.
I can tell that they're from entirely different families. They don't relate at all. This one, this one, and this one look like they might be families. With maybe this
Okay.
one not even be here at all. Then put your label too. And then spacing. Bashir, as you said, we're looking at spacing this week. I don't know. I don't think you even followed you were looking at the image, but you were not really replicating what they did, right? Because this color is definitely not the background color they used here. You did not use your color picker. You were doing minimal color too. This can never apply for your what's it called reviews. And then the spacing between this and this. But just clean it up. Did you hear? Clean it up. And then I think there's supposed to be like a search button here. If I'm not wrong. I know that there's something, looks like something is missing here. Check.
Okay.
All right. Ken, I'm not sure what's going on. This is not this week's assignment, is it?
Sorry, check page 2.
This is a prototype link. How do I see page 2?
No, it's not prototype.
What is submitted is a prototype link, not
Oh.
the link itself.
Wow. Sorry,
Okay.
give me a minute. I come.
All right. Victoria, I think you have joined the call, so let's check it out. Victoria only pops up when it is proper designs. If not, she'll say this is not for me. All right. Why can't I click? Victoria, I can't click on anything here. What's going on? Did you lock it? Thought I saw Victoria on this call.
I am on the call, ma. I'm on the call, ma. I think it is because it is locked. Let me
Please unlock so I can see what you did properly, like check spacings and stuff.
Okay, ma.
Yeah.
You can just
In time.
continue. Let me try to
Alright.
unlock.
While you do that, obviously you can tell that this your search button, this search icon. There's something about it. I'm not sure what, but something is. There's something. Maybe explore other icons for this search icon. And you designed this yourself. This is not iPhone's status bar.
Okay, ma.
You know where to get status bar from, right?
From Iconify.
From Figma community. See why I said it is only when we are doing design you used to come. Other days you will not.
Ma, I used to show up for let's
Would have known that you can find status bar in Figma community and you don't have to design it at all.
Okay.
Exactly. So next thing, this your button, this icon here, this close button cannot work. It looks elongated, like you dragged it from maybe the middle up. It doesn't look realistic at all. So you can check that too. This is your clear search button. I'm sure there is no way it will be bigger than this font. It's supposed to be like a destructive action. So you're not supposed to make it this big and bold. So yeah, just fix these things. And then this will have thing and not work. Because you see this size 40 cannot work for your bottom now. Try to replicate. See what you do, Victoria. Put that image, put it here. The designing. Do you understand?
No.
You see the file I shared with you guys. Copy the image, paste it here. Control C, Control V here.
Okay, ma.
Right. And try to replicate it.
Okay, ma.
So I'm giving you grace till Sunday evening to fix this.
Okay.
But this guy, I don't think I see. Okay, I see the issue. This is not everything that is on the nav bar up here. And I don't know if you were on the call when I was talking about somebody's assignment. Someone say something. Okay. Like I was saying, check. It's because you're working, maybe you are looking at the image outside of Figma, then coming back to Figma to like design. I'm guessing that's what the issue is. If not, if you place the image side by side, you'll be able to tell where this guy, maybe it should stop here so that it will contain the rest of the content that is still here. Because I know there's still meant to be a cat button. Yeah, so you can fix that till Sunday. Those of you that have not submitted to Sunday, Bashirat Sunday. Ken, have you dropped the proper link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have.
Xavier John, for design, you would really need a laptop. So please find a way. Solani and Samuel is just joining. Well done. Voila. I'm using side eye like this to look at all of you. Okay. This is Ken. I wanted to say, is this your replication? This is clean. No. Okay. Ken is not done. Oh, I think you sent me a message. Yeah, I remember. Ken still puts the images side by side, but said, no, I will do my own thing.
Did you say we shouldn't put the?
The what? So you can see like.
Do you say we shouldn't put them side by side?
No, you can. It's easier for me to like see what you did. You can see this button and this search. You see how close they are to each other, and see your own. They are fighting with each other. There's just something. It's either the size of the icons you used, 20. Maybe they used 24, right? But there's just something. And then the color, you did not use color picker to get the actual color they used here. So you
I
can.
don't have to use color picker.
You don't know. Jesus. Ken, are you joking? We've done this
No.
before.
Evidence in the 1 to 4 classes.
Let me show you how to use color picker. Let me put a random color here. And then let me put another one. Let's see. So I want to pick color. I want to change this gray. Can you see my screen? I want to change this gray to this color here, but I don't know what the color code is, right? I'll come to this part where you see feed. You see this thing here. I'll click on this part that shows the color. Click on it. You see what happened? And then click on this picker thing here. You click on it and just come here. You'll see a preview up here. You can see the preview on top here. So I'll just pick it. That's how you use color picker. So that's simple.
I tried it, but it didn't work. Does
Nah.
this work on files that on on some colors that like the image you sent was not created on Figma?
It works on all colors. So I'm copying the image from your file now, from your Figma file, and I'm pasting it now. Let's make it bigger.
Yes, thank you.
Can you guys still see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm waiting for the image to load here so I can pick the color. I can see that my internet is poor. Give me a couple of seconds, guys, so I can fix this. All right, the image is here now. So I'm going to pick this color. In fact, I'll pick random colors from this particular image. Can you still see?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So let's start from this, your green here that you couldn't pick. I'll come to this part again, click on my picker. You will see the preview up here. All I have to do is zoom in, since it looks like the image quality is not all that, and I'll get the color. Do you see that? You can do it for
Yeah.
literally anything here. Even this small green that is here, you can pick the color. Do you get?
Yeah.
So that's how it works. So you can fix that, but it's not a major issue. And let's see. You designed this yourself.
Yeah, kind of.
Obviously, if you didn't, it would have showed status bar here, and I will know that you didn't. Okay, this looks clean. Spacing between this guy and this guy though, 8. You know that 8, spacing of 8 is not in our dictionary. I'm sure you remember. Spacing of 10, sorry, is not in our dictionary. I'm sure you remember. All right, so fix that. But yeah, this looks clean. Well done. Again, I'm sure color picker issues, so you can fix this break fast. But you tried even without the color picker. This your close button though. I
What
just
about it?
use image, not an icon, not SVG.
Okay.
Please use Iconify plugin and just search for close. So I'm going to show you what I am saying here. Let me share my. So right click. Plugins and Iconify. Oh, my internet is the worst today. Was that a question? Okay, so you just come here and search for close.
What's this?
Iconify. It's a plugin.
Okay.
You see how I got here? Let me do it again. So you right click on your Figma. You see plugins here, and not saved it before. The reason why it is showing here is because I have saved it before. It's part of my saved plugins. I have a lot of saved plugins on Figma. So if you've not
saved it,
you come up here. You see where my mouse is? This third to the last button. This part. You see components, plugins, widgets. You click on plugins and search for Iconify. So this is it. You can click on this to save it. Right? Just click on it to run it, and then search for the icon you need. Close. And you see a bunch of them, all kinds, from different packs. Whatever type of clothes you're looking for, it will show you. So just select the one you want. If, for instance, I want to use maybe this guy, you just do import icon. Do you understand?
Yes.
If I click on import icon, it just drops it on my Figma file. And I can edit it as I please, change the color, change the size.
How do you change the color?
I just did that now. Sorry. So let me undo so you see what I did. Let's import color, import icon. This is the icon here. So to change the color, I come to selection colors here on my right. Because I know the color I want to change it to by head, I can just type it in But if you don't know the color, if you want to pick a color, you already know what to do. Just click on this part, and you can drag around like this, or you can use your color picker to get the exact color you want. I hope you understand.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. So that's for icons. Again, same thing applies to this guy. And literally for any icon you need, you don't need to use images, right? Any icon you need, you can just who they laugh.
Sorry.
All right, so Ken, well done. Where's the other one? You're not done.
No, I'm not.
Sunday, please. Sunday.
Sure, thank you.
We've checked Victoria, right? Alani Samuel. I think I saw Samuel on this call just now. All right, let's start. Baddest. This is Samuel, right? Well done. Okay, you see what I was saying? Status bar, likes, obviously. I knew you got it from from Figma community or from a design system. This is really good. Although this is your 46 results for. I don't know why you used red. But this is good. This is good. Samuel, well done. Okay, now this is the problem. This search button. There's something. Maybe the thickness. It's just off. And then the weight of your text. But this is really clean. Well done. Let's see this. Which one is American flag? Is Samuel here? Can you check your design and try to move this American flag that is covering? Okay, Adebayo Grace, you just click on import icon on Iconify. Wait, Grace, where's your assignment? Grace has started.
Ma, I'm not done. No, I'm sorry.
Samuel, please. I think you can do this now, but your design looks really good, by the way. Well done. Looks like you're not done with your editing, or is it your flag that is covering it? Please check this thing. You need to group these things so that your developer would know that for each product that is being listed, this is the height and the width that they would occupy, no matter the size of the image. Like this now, you're just doing vibes on vibes, right? So something like this. So even if the image is this shape, it still fits into this frame. I hope Samuel is here and can hear me. Please fix this USA flag.
Sorry, I didn't understand what you just said.
So you see the way you used a fixed size, a fixed frame size for your images here. Like they are the same all through here. You have to do the same thing here, right? Same size for all the images. The content will now fit into that size. So if you're going with, say, 109 by 119, this one too should be the same thing, but this image will just fit into that frame. That's all. Do you understand? For the sake of consistency, so that. Do you get me?
Yeah.
Please, this thing that is here, I don't know what's going on. But well done. This is really, 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 really good. That was on any else. Okay. So I think 4 people now that I have told Saturday, right? Kane, Bashirat, Victoria, and Grace. All right. Sunday. Sorry, Sunday. Okay, where do we get the same images to use for design, and how do we sign? Okay, for the same images, you can just go to the, it doesn't have to be the same exactly, but you can go to the, you can do reverse image search on what do you call now, on Google, and search for the image, or you can just go to the website and copy the image. Nobody's going to beat you for that. Or you can use your own images. So for the rectangle that was slanted, I think somebody was asking, right? Okay, so for the image that was slanted, you can, where's the, okay, so this is my own. I want to get the exact length, right? Okay, and then for the bottom parts, okay, so what I'll just do is I double click on the edge and just slant it in to the point where I want it to stop. Do you see that? I hope you guys saw what I did.
Please,
I'm
can you
doing
do
it.
it again, ma?
I'm doing it again. You see the rectangle I just dropped? I will double click first. Done. Once you want to know if it's working, you'll see this. It will show you all of the points on that your object, all of the points. So the point I want to adjust, if it's this part that wants to go in, I can hold it and adjust. But the part I want to adjust is this bottom part, because it is slightly slanted, right? So I want to get the exact slant, and I'll just do like this and slant. You see that? I'll do the same thing for this right side. It looks slanted to just very slightly. So let's put this one here. Let me pick that color for the sake of those that still don't know how to do color picker. And then I'll do this other one. My rectangle. Same thing I did with the other guy, I'll do it here. But this time you already know the drill. Double click first. You know that the last time it was this edge because that was where I wanted to slant, but this time it is this side that is slanted. So I will hold this edge and drag it out like this. I hope we all understand now. And that is that. So let me pick the color here and make them the same. Right, so I can adjust this to make sure that they blend into each other. Let's adjust this guy. So that's it basically. I hope you understand. Looks like nobody's talking. You don't understand?
Please explain the gradient part. Like the bottom part is.
Okay, so all you do is you see the image, rather than fill on this color, you see this part where the color is, select this, you come up here. This is solid color, that's one color. Now for gradients, multiple colors, this second part. right? You already see the color difference. The first part is this one up here. This second one, I'm using the same, I will use the same color, but a certain percentage off. Let's use 10% of it now. Or let's just pick what they used exactly. The reason why it's looking like this is because there's nothing in the background. So it's picking the color of my background. Let me put it on a frame. The person that did that desktop thing, you see this is desktop, but inside desktop, you still have desktop here. So this is the one you select. And let's put this one inside. You see it already. Ken, I hope you understand. So you can adjust based on their own exact color to blend into your frame. So it's like this. And let's make this maybe 5%. And do the same thing for this guy. Change it from solid to gradient. Use the exact same color, but increase the transparency to 5%. I hope we get it. Ken, is that clear? If it's
Yeah,
a
but
different
what if,
color completely, right? Let's imagine that at the bottom here, the gradient was a blue. All you have to do is just come here and select the blue and try to blend it into each other.
okay.
Understand? So you can do
Well,
three.
what if
What if what?
the yeah how do you just take it higher? How do you make it higher? Like the blue part.
I'm adding multiple colors first, but that's not what you're asking. What you asked me, how did I make it higher? I can click on this and drag it like this.
Oh, okay.
So you can, as I say, you can adjust as you like. You can also, you click on this guy, you can also adjust this guy too, as you like. And you can also change the direction as you like. You just click on where it is and move it. You click on where this guy is and just move it
How do you
around.
change the direction?
That's what I'm explaining. You see this, the edge where it stops. You hold it and just move around and drag.
Oh, okay.
This is the other edge. You see once you are on the edge, it will show you this. You see the icon, the arrow is different, so you can adjust like that.
Right.
Any other question? Any other question? No questions. We are all good. All right. I guess that is it for us tonight. No assignments this week. We are all going to rest because me too, I need a little break. But please, you're not resting. Continue practicing. If you have issues, you can reach out to me. Those of you that haven't finished the assignment, please do. Sunday is the maximum for these assignments. All right. I guess see you guys next week. Enjoy your week. Are we good? Adora.
Yeah, let's always ask about the attendance.
Okay. All right. Bye, guys.
Fill attendance, so fill attendance, so fill attendance, so it's inside the chat box. Fill attendance, fill attendance. Peace out.